Hello, Tom from Every Step Calculus, everystepphysics.com. I have to say that each video in case somebody just saw one of my videos, they know which site to go to buy my programs, my fabulous programs. But anyways, this one is on a physics problem regarding the mass of Jupiter given the radius of the orbit and the period. So let's do it. Physics to get to my main menu. I'm going to scroll down here now to find planets. A lot of times I've already had this set up so that I can save time, but anyways, we're going to scroll down here to the P section and find planets. There's planets. And now we're asked to find the mass of something, planet. So we're going to scroll down here to mass. And we're going to enter the radius of orbit. You have to press alpha first. Alpha 1.88 times E. E is scientific notation, to the 6th power. And then they give us further kilometers, see, million kilometers. So we have to go number 4 here. You can press the number or the scroll to it. I'm going to press the number 4. And we did the conversion here. Now we're going to enter the period given, which is alpha 16.7, and it's days, and we come up with these calculations here: 24 hours and 60 minutes and 60 seconds. We always need seconds when we do these calculations, so that's a trick and pretty tough. You could make a mistake there too on a problem, but the calculator doesn't make mistakes, or my program doesn't make mistakes generally. I always show you what you've entered. You can change it if you want. I say it's okay. I give you the gravitational constant from Newton, 6.67 from e to the minus 11. And we do the calculations of, here's the formula, mass, etc. And here's the answer, 1.91 e to the 27 kilograms. Pretty neat, huh? Everystepphysics.com. Go to my site, buy my programs. $30 for many programs. It'll solve most of your physics needs. And good luck in your classes, and have a good one.